welcome to my channel. A little bit about me. My name is Claire and I am an Etsy seller. Buttons. It all started with buttons. I love to crochet and love to collect quirky and unusual buttons. I was always being asked, where do you buy yours? Could I have a couple of your buttons? So I started to buy in bulk, or what I considered bulk at the time, and sell buttons to friends, mainly to stop them from pinching mine. I was then asked, do you know where I can get some of these? Then I discovered cabochons and started to make my own, which I then used to make jewellery. In 2010, I discovered Etsy, which I had never heard about. I did lots of reading and watched lots of videos and then opened an Etsy store. I did have two Etsy stores, one for craft supplies and one for handmade, but I merged them together as I couldn't keep track as I got busier. Fast forward and I now have my own craft and jewellery supply website. I also sell handmade jewellery using lots of the stock that I sell in my shop. I supply other Etsy sellers and have made lots of great online friendships. I also love to support other sellers and buy handcrafted items. I love to see the beautiful items they create. I am a star seller with over 27,000 sales. I see videos of how to be a great success on Etsy, but they either don't have an actual Etsy store or show no proof. My details are all in the description, so you can go and check it out. I have helped others to open Etsy shops, and it would be great to be able to direct them to something like this. I am more than happy behind the camera, don't claim to be an Etsy expert, but want to share what has worked for me. So what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. SEO increases your visibility in the search results of search engines like Google and Bing. SEO listing optimization keywords. Keyword optimizing your descriptions is not as important as it used to be. I would always read that we had to put lots of keywords in the description to help with Etsy search ranking. Etsy does not use descriptions for matching your listings to a buyer's search, changing prices, altering processing times, changing photos. This will not hurt your store when it comes to Etsy search. When you make changes for SEO, you do need to wait and see if your title and tags are working. A listing lasts 4 months, and I like to go back and look at each listing before I renew. If a listing is not doing so well, I change it to manual renewal instead of automatic. If you are still getting no or very little views, go back and look at the keywords and tags you are using. Try to think, if you were a customer buying your product, what would you enter to search for your item? I will use an example. Beads. If I currently enter blue beads into Etsy search, I will find 1,186,844 results. Even if I filter and enter UK only, I live in the UK, it will still show 99,833 results. Now, if I enter 10mm blue glass beads, the results will show 8,296. Now that is a huge difference. If I then filter and choose the category craft supplies and tools, jewellery and beauty, then jewellery making and beading, then beads, the results show 4,401. So you can see the figure is a lot better than the 1 million plus that we had before. You know your product better than anyone else. I could further add the word stripe and I am shown 354 results. So that is how your customers find you. If you have multiple listings, it's okay to use some of the same keywords. It's good if you can think of others as well, as it will give you better search results and chances of being found. On Etsy, you can rank for the same keywords over and over again. Let me show you another example. If we use turquoise headband, I always have to think how to spell that. The results will give us 4,505. If I then enter turquoise and pink headband, that will give me 1,977 results. So let's now try put in turquoise and pink leopard print headband. And that gives us 423 results. Then if we filter categories, accessories, hair accessories, headband and turbans, and then headbands, that will give us 63 results, which is such a difference, and that is how your customers find you. I did want to tell you to check out erank.com. This is free, but you can upgrade to get more features. But do try to use some niche keywords and tags. I have all sorts of videos I want to make. I am new to making videos, as you can tell, and it's still a learning process. But I will share all what I do, and I must be doing something right to be able to make these sales both on Etsy and my website. So please like and subscribe and be on the lookout for more videos. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.